Hello Riverbank teachers, I'm Mr. Gianelli and this is your technology tip of the week. So sometimes when you're given a PowerPoint presentation, there's times when you want to turn your screen off. Maybe you want to lift up your overhead and show the students something on the whiteboard. So just a really quick tip, one of the ways you can do this, if you ever want to make your screen go blank, all you have to do is a Shift B. Now your screen is blank. So you can pull this up and now you have, you're not projecting anything, and that's nice. But the problem with that is if you want to get to your computer, as soon as you touch a key, it goes right back to this. Also, you could do a Shift W to make the screen go white. So as you can see, the text is going to disappear. Well, I don't know why you'd want to use that, but again, that's a Shift B to get rid of it. But let's say you're doing something else. You're not doing a PowerPoint presentation. How could you make the screen blank? Well, rather than having to power it down and then power it back up a few minutes later, if you're planning on going back and forth, there is a button on some of your remotes, unfortunately not all of them, and that button says blank. Now when you push that button right now, you may not get this. You may instead get a blue screen, or you may end up getting a logo. So if you want to change your settings on your projector so that when you hit the blank button, this is what happens, which can be very handy because you don't have to wait for it to power down or power up. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So what you're going to want to do is on your remote, you're going to push the menu button. And you may have a slightly different setup than I do, depending on your projector, but something like this should pop up. And you're going to need to go to advanced mode. So let me just scroll down here. And there's advanced mode. Now from here, you want to go to setup. And you got to choose for this particular projector keypad remote. On that one you'll see right there it says blank screen, and you'll have the option of either choosing white screen, factory logo, blue screen, or black screen. And the black screen is really going to help you save some energy and just makes things easier. I don't know why that's not the default setting, but also if you wanted to, when it's looking for a source, you can change it so that when it's powering up and searching, rather than flashing that it's searching, you could also have it go to a black screen, and that way you're going to just be saving a little bit of energy. I just like to do everything I can to try to get as much life out of these bulbs as possible, because I know they're pretty expensive and they go out on me about once a year. So hopefully this helped you a little bit, and if you have a different type of setup and can't figure it out, then feel free to email me. I'm always available to help teachers. Thanks for watching.